Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today this is another DIY series, and this is the second episode wherein I will feature to you one of the custom belts that I was able to create, and that is none other than the customized NWA World Heavyweight Championship. Yay! As you can see, this is really a customized belt. Here it is. There. Up to there. Now, as you can see, there is a Philippine flag there. That's the reason as to why this is really a customized championship. It's because there's a Philippine flag. Of course, I'm in Philippines, so this represents my country. Now, in the other side plates, you can still see the Canada, the Australia here, then Mexico, and Japan. Forgive me for I wasn't able to really had the details for the the Mexico flag. It really is difficult because there is really a eagle on the middle part of it. But you know, this is just a customized belt, and I'm pleased that I was able to do this. As you can see, there are stitches here at the upper part there, and if you can see it here like that. Am I cool?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
No? Okay. So anyway, so this is the belt itself. There. Here. This is the front, and this is the back. There. Now I will show you a clips of the belt itself, and this will just be a montage. So here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that's it for this episode. If you like the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, like the video, share it to your friends who really love belts, and at the same time, comment below what next or what belt should I do next. In the next episode, this will be an interesting one, and I hope everyone will like it. So stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe to see and turn on the notification bell as well, so that you can be informed what belt would I showcase next. So again, this is me, and yeah, this is me, and until next time, peace.